They're not perfect by any means, but I mean, can't really beat it for the price we paid. We went and traded. I had these HX wheels on my Civic. We got them for a really good deal. We traded the HXs plus $240. They need redone. I'm gonna paint them, put new stickers on them, center caps, things like that. I'm gonna paint them white. I'm just gonna put them on the car, see how they kind of look, get fitment down. Just got these Buddy Club P1s. They're for my 1991 Civic Hatch SI. I'm building this car to be kind of like a toge car, really tail the dragon runs, kind of Conjo style. These are 15x7. These are great spec for it. I don't know the offset on them. I'm thinking around plus 35. It fits perfectly in line with the body right where I want it. I want it to sit when it's down on the ground about almost touching, but not. Maybe cambered in just a tiny bit. Kind of that Conjo setup. That's what we're shooting for. Today we're going to be sandblasting these wheels. We're not really sure how to use a sandblaster, going to be honest. Just bought about 100 pound of media for it. My buddy John helping me out. So we didn't realize there were different sizes for the material. Either A, we're going to try it again, or B, we're going to go drill out the tip of this and see if that works. Last time you see me was the day before. I went and bought a new gun. We're gonna see if this works, and if it doesn't, we're gonna use the old machine. I just don't wanna have to dump all that sand that we couldn't use out of the old one. So all I need to do is pour the sand in here, put this on, twist it, get it locked in there. You put it on the end of your gun, then spray it. It works. No. I know. It's not doing shit. God! I give the Tractor Supply abrasive blaster handheld like a 2 out of 10. It's more of a air gun that hurts. Hits you in the eye. I did more with my fingers on this than I did anything. Come to realize with us, everything's trial and error. I kind of suck at this. I just wing it. I think we're gonna get some aircraft remover and just spray it on there. That should bring it right out. This is what we should have done to our car. Huh? Don't let the metal. Whoever powder coated this wheel did a shitty job. Likes to flake off, and we thought it was spray paint. Turns out it's powder coated stick. The aircraft remover did not fucking work. We're just gonna smooth it out as best as we can and spray paint it. I'm going to get a new sanding wheel. This thing has seen better days.
We ain't taking the Camry, we ain't taking the Passport, we ain't even taking the Type R. We're gonna take that ugly bitch. Nice.
If I go over 65, I go to jail. They had the goods. We're not gonna record the sanding. This shit's boring. The next day, we ended up going inside. It got really cold. We ended up watching some UK basketball. I picked up my hombre Isaac. Going to pick up Shody right now.
We're getting these as flat as possible.
They're not gonna be perfect.
I have not filmed hardly any of the sanding. We sanded for about 4 hours last night. This wheel right here is done. This wheel right here is done. The wheel under that one's done. And we're waiting on Mason to finish up this one. Good. Good. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. All right, now we're scuffing them down. Once we get these scuffed down, we should be good to paint.
It's hot as hell in here. They're about under primer. I gotta let them dry. Then we're hitting it with white paint. They're not perfect by any means, but I mean, can't really beat it for the price we paid. I think we're about $400 into them. The wheels took a bit longer than expected. After everything's said and done, I didn't end up clear coating them. It would take a lot more effort to get these wheels perfect than I would like, so I'm just gonna ship it. They don't look bad. Overall, pretty good. I spent $60 on center caps, 40 bucks on paint, 50 bucks on paint stripper, and then I bought some stickers for about 20 bucks. So it's probably like $200 material plus $240 for the wheels. I'm pretty happy with them, just for some temporary wheels for my EF. It's been a minute with the wheel video. Weather has been terrible. Our area got flooded. None of the garage or anything had any damage. We can actually see how the Buddy Clubs turned out. I've put stickers on them, the P1 Racing, put all the center caps in them. They're not perfect by any means, but they're a lot nicer than when I bought them. I got the other side done already. It's very cold in here. I also need lugs. God, I don't have any lugs for this car, so I'm gonna run to Advance just get some temporary things to throw on it. This is my friend Drake. He almost died. As you can see, it's very cold in here. We tried to hook one of those heaters up to my propane tank. It kindly exploded in my hand. Anyway, we're gonna be working in the cold today. I got lug nuts. So we got the wheels on. I have fitment issues that I want to address eventually. Not right now though. I definitely have alignment issues to address ASAP. For a budget wheel, I can't complain any. I'm about to start ripping the motor apart on this car, so stay tuned for that. Instead of going on B20V turbo, I'm gonna be doing a B20V NA build. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.